have Fat Tony with us today. Fat Tony is in for a recheck exam today. He has Pododermatitis, which is swelling of the feet. In birds, we often call it bumblefoot. If we look at his feet, you can see at his hocks, he's got swelling there and he has little wounds on both sides here, a little less on the one side than the other. And so this is a common issue in chinchillas. If you've ever watched a chinchilla, they jump and hop. They like to fly down the different levels of their cage, and so there's a lot of concussive force that's put on these little tiny legs, and they often will end up with bruising and trauma and foot sores. And because they do it continuously and they don't rest when they get a little uncomfortable, it can become a big problem over time and they can get infected. It can be really hard to get this cleared up because they continue the behavior that does it and they've already damaged the surfaces of their feet. One of the things we do right off the bat is padded bedding throughout. He had solid surfaces before. He now has hay mats pretty much everywhere on all his landing pads. We've tried to reduce the levels so he's not flying off the top levels and bouncing back and forth, which they often like to do. And we're just trying to reduce the trauma on those feet. As you can imagine, bandaging these feet is very difficult. They tend to chew them off almost immediately. We usually do a lot of supportive care. And the supportive care really means trying to prevent them from further traumatizing their feet. We're doing anti-inflammatories. And because he does have wounds on those feet, we are doing a topical cream and an antibiotic as well.